Yes, the miles are correct, just over 300. Yes, 300 miles are on this vehicle. We received a few of these cars with extreme low miles, 2 Toyota Camrys with 800 miles also available here. Call Tim Lawrence today, 616-706-3842.